So hi everyone, welcome back once again to our daily hacking news series. So there are little bit difficulties why I'm not coming with the daily hacking news, but anyways I'll try to continue as much as I can. So before starting, if you want, you can subscribe this YouTube channel because it takes us a lot of time while creating all this kind of content. I hope you'll appreciate by clicking a button on subscribe, right? So let me start with the first and a very epic news, right? So this is historic 73 Tbps DDoS attack, which was a smash record till now, right? Here you can see the headline of the hackers news. So there's a massive 7.3 Tbps DDoS delivers 37.4 terabytes in 45 seconds. So this is huge, right? One of the biggest DDoS attack you can think of, right? Which is still now, and hopefully Cloudflare mitigated this thing. So I'll just tell you a little bit idea about all those news whatever I'm going to cover in this one. So the cloud provider just got hit by the largest DDoS attack ever. We are talking about 73 terabyte per second. So attackers used botnet of hijacking smart devices. So what smart devices can be? It's like security cameras and router which is publicly accessible, and there might be some vulnerabilities. So it was used, okay, as a botnet and combined with the sneaky protocol exploit. So a protocol was exploiting all those things. So why it matters? Because this show actually how vulnerabilities of IoT devices can become weaponized in a massive cyber attack, because IoT devices was used, right? So if you're using any of the IoT devices, even there's a lot of things which is surrounded with me, right? There's a smart light, there's a smart camera which is installed on the right side, there's a smart fan, everything is connected with the internet, right? So just make sure your device is not vulnerable. Yes, IoT devices get updated. There's a Raspberry Pi as well. So all this comes under IoT devices. If anything is connected with the internet, okay, and security cameras, router, all those things is called IoT devices, right? So secure your devices as much as you can. So this is cyber attack. So because of this kind of attack, there's a lot of website is getting defaced, right? So what you can do for learning all those things, if you want to secure a website, if you want to know how a website can be hacked, so that you can report and you can earn a lot of money, because there's a lot of companies who are paying for securing a website. For that, you can check out this URL, viehgroup.com/tci, from where you can learn web application pen testing with a best environment possible. Now anyways, let's start with the next news. The next news is coming from Israel. So as we all know, there's a conflict going on between Israel and Iran, where yesterday US jumped into it. But because there's a lot of news is coming related, so I'll just tell you what is the cyber angle of that part. So right now, Israeli citizens hit by a AI powered de-informations, right? So what exactly it means? So basically, there is a fake social media profiles, likely backed by the Iran, which probably what we can think of. So these are flooded with Israeli network with political changes, deepfake videos. Like there is a Benjamin Netanyahu is the prime minister of Israel. So there might be some deepfake videos. So don't trust on every videos, whatever you see on the internet. There might be something deepfake things which is emerging a lot. And phishing link, which is disguised as a new article, which is coming from couple of news like Al Jazeera and all. So don't be a part of that scam. Okay, always verify. Okay, if you want to know if anything is deepfaked or what, just drop a comment in this video. I'll tell you. And the scariest part about this news is this account uses AI generated faces and voice, which is making is secretly convincing, which is like, suppose if I'm saying, right, so I can train a model, AI model, by using deepfake technologies, where the voice will be 100% similar with me, the face will be 100% similar with me. If you can't compare if I am speaking or any AI is speaking or what. So this is what ongoing in Israel. So Israelian, be safe, right? We are with you. Anyways, we are not with anyone, we are with a peace, right? Anyways, next news is coming from Google, Apple, Meta. This was seems to be, so this is kind of, you can say, the mother of all password leaks. Like, so just imagine every password you have used in the past decades, now picture 16 billion of those dumped online, right? So this is, as I told you, mother of all password leaks. 16 billion password is leaked, right, online. So here you can see the top 20 data set by number of records. So this is one of the hues. Okay, and like this is called as a cosmic leak. This was named, every leak just named as a something. So this cosmic leak comes with a malware that secretly logged keyloggers and keystrokes on 320 million Windows PCs. If you are using a Windows PC, guys, update it. Don't use a cracked something. So that's why keystrokes just get recorded and was saved with a as a password, and it was sent using a backdoor which was injected in a malware, right? Malicious software. So someone, if suppose if you're going to install let's say a cracked application, then why someone is going to give you a free, right, on free? So this is what happened if you install a malware instead of a software. It's just recording your keystrokes sending to the hacker server. So this is what ongoing. So what thing you can do? Immediate action needed. So change important password now, whatever you're using, especially for work email and banking, right? So this is something important, right? Because like MFA is also getting bypassed, multi-factor authentication nowadays. Just change. That's what you can do. Next news coming from DuckDuckGo, a very famous browser among the hackers community. So DuckDuckGo fights back against scam. So guys, this is a privacy focused browser which is a lot of security folks is using. Even I'm using, right? So the privacy focused browser just added real time protections against fake tech support pop-ups. We get a lot of fake tech support, and sometimes we see some type of crypto scams like you won a prize, right? So this is what they are going to secure you against all those things. Phishing site which is pretending to be a bank, so this is going to protect you from all those things, right? So just use DuckDuckGo. This is going to be a best thing for you. And the best part is it block the stuffs without tracking your browser history. So that is insane because privacy is always the priority of DuckDuckGo, and this is huge. Like they are not going to see what exactly you are searching out. Here you can see this is site may risk, and this is what DuckDuckGo is going to tell you. Now next news is coming from what exactly the hackers had done. Russian hackers turned calendar invited into weapons, right? So APT 29, yes, these are the same, those who are behind the solar wind attack. Okay, so they found a very clever Gmail app flow. Okay, they send a malicious calendar invited that secretly gave access to the diplomat's email, right? And even after Google patch, many may have sensitive communication exposing for the month, right? So this was what's exactly going from the Russian hackers. Now next news is coming from Iran. So guys, Iranian state TV gets hacktivist makeover. So you can see the heading: Iranian TV hijacked mid broadcast amid with geopolitical tension, 90 million stole in the crypto. Okay, so guys, during a live broadcast which was going in the Iran, state TV suddenly switched to protest messages. So what happened? The hackers used what appears to be in the inside exploit of the broadcast system, and this isn't just a tech mishap; it's a digital retaliation against the government censorship, right? So hackers are getting insane. You can see here group claiming DDoS attack targeting Israel between 13 and 25. That's great. Now next news is coming from cyber warfare. So activists are getting more dangerous, right? So activists are activists who are doing some hacking activity, right? So group like Anonymous Sudan are causing havoc with takedown of government websites. So there's a lot of government website is taking down. They disrupt to the airport booking system and attack of the financial networks right now. So new worry trend is like they are now using AI tools to find vulnerabilities faster, right? So this is what is being used by the hackers as well. The hackers are using AI to find vulnerability in it and use it for their good purposes. Like not good, they are hackers. Black hat, not white hat, right? Because we have white hat. Anyways, who knows? So now the next news is coming from this one. Hackers manipulate search engine to push malicious site. So guys, this is something Netcraft has recorded, right? So this is actually hackers are manipulating search engine to push malicious site. So actually they are redirecting you to the malicious site. Okay, if you download best free antivirus download, then by using some SEO method, they will just rank their website and you will see probably the fake one, right? So always verify a website. Like here you can see it's written in Chinese. So if it's Chinese, then just think like it's fake because Chinese are always fake. Just think of it and use wisely. Now next one is OpenAct expose publicly available hacking tools. Okay, so guys, researchers recently found a open cloud folder containing The ransomware building kit, which is yes ready to use, that is basically ready to use, and government document which is marked at confidential, and exploit tools used by the real criminals. So this is what you can see. Uh, this was on the government website, freeways or government Taiwan, right? Here something is on hosted on the Taiwan. So this is something huge, right? Many companies don't realize their cloud storage is widely open on the internet. So this is what they need to concern of. Now, next news is coming from healthcare, right? This is related to healthcare. Yes. Okay, so what exactly happens? The spider group, here you can see, scatter spider, which is a hacking group. So spider group, which is linked to the major ransomware, hit hospital by calling a staff pretending to be the IT support. So they call the staff and told, I'm IT support, just do all this thing, and using a stolen password to move through networks. Now sitting on 6 TB sensitive patient records. So that's what they got right from that attack. And FBI warns right now these attacks often escalate to the ransom within days, because they are stolen, and probably they are going to tell you just pay us some sort of money and we return your data, but probably they are not going to do. So let's see where the things will be ending up. So that's what for today. If you want to secure a website, if you want to learn about web application pen testing, bug bounty, right, and know something fruitful, just check out this URL viehgroup.com/tci, so that you can bring some changes into your life. Just fill out the form and you are into the batch. So thank you very much for watching this video. So let's subscribe kar lo yaar. So thanks for watching, have a great day. Jai